All right, boys and girls, today we're going to do some practice with missing addends. So on this one, first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill in the 10 frame using the hole. So the hole is 8. So I'm going to draw 8 circles, and then there's only going to be 3 left by the time we're done. So if we only have 3 left, that means how many am I crossing out? How many did I cross out? 5, very good. So that means my missing addend is 5. Okay, next one. Draw 5 circles. And then I'm going to cross them out until I have 2 left. How many did I cross out? 3. Good. The next one has a 4. So I'm going to put 4 circles. And then I'm going to cross out until I have 1 left. How many did I cross out? 3. Very good. Okay, now I'm going to do 6. And I'm going to cross out until I have 4 left. Oops, too many. How many did I cross out? 2. Good. And on this last one, I'm going to draw 3. And then I'm going to cross out until I have 2 left. And how many did I cross out? Just 1. Good. On the back, we have some missing addends. So this means that we have the whole, but we're missing a part. So all you have to do is subtract. So we're going to count backwards. And if you want to use number lines or dots, that's fine. So 8, 7, 6. So the missing number is 6. Now 7 minus something is 3. So let's do 7 minus 3. 7, 6, 5, 4. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 9 minus 4, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. And 8 minus something equals 8. What is it? 0. Good. Why don't you try the last 4 and then raise your hand for your teacher. Nice job, boys and girls.